Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Kinako Pannacotta with Kuromitsu Sauce. Pannacotta is an Italian cold creamy dessert that is popular in Japan. We arranged the traditional Italian recipe into more Japanese style using Kinako soybean powder and Kuromitsu dark sugar syrup. These are the ingredients. Kinako is used in a lot of traditional Japanese sweets like mochi desserts. To make the Kuromitsu dark sugar syrup, we are using molasses, which is easier to get than black sugar here in the US. First, we put milk and gelatin in a medium pot and let bloom for 5 minutes. Add heavy cream, sugar, and honey to the pot, and heat until gelatin and sugar are dissolved. Don't let it get too hot or boil. In a small bowl, add kinako and a small amount of the warm milk mixture and whisk well until there are no lumps. Add the kinako mixture back to the milk mixture and mix well. Cool the mixture using an ice bath, stirring constantly. Stir until the liquid is cold and slightly thickened. Pour into 4 glasses or ramekins. When you buy yogurt or desserts that came in glasses like this, you may want to save and reuse. These came with yogurt from a grocery store. Refrigerate at least 4 hours. In a small pot, put all the ingredients for the sauce: molasses, sugar, and water. And let boil for 3 minutes or until very slightly thickened. It will thicken further when completely cooled. When the pannacotta is firm and cold, we are ready to serve. Pour the Kuromitsu sauce over. Kuromitsu is very sweet, so adjust the amount to be poured. Kinako Pannacotta itself is not overly sweet, so we think they go together very well. This is a great individual dessert after dinner. We really like the combination of nutty kinako flavor with cream and sweet Kuromitsu sauce. Hope you enjoy! 美味しいね。